ayun guys, tapos na kami kumain dito sa Kashi's Place. So, yung kain namin around 4 o'clock na. Breakfast and lunch na yun. Mura lang food nila dito. So, what we had is sabaw, tsaka barbecue. So, parang 600 lang yung binil namin. So, with 3 rice na yun. So, sulit na din. Mura na. So, along General Luna siya. Tapos now, we're going to Cloud9. Cloud9? Siyempre, ikaw yung magdadrive. This is what we have here in Kermit. So we have their house specialty, Kermit Pizza. And then yeah, sa pugod nila niluluto. So I like it kasi talagang mas special yung way of cooking nila. The traditional way. And we have here anong pasta ulit to?
Pasta.
I think it's linguine oglio. Kung hindi ako nagkakamali. Seafoods. And we have Long Island. Grabe, tapang niya. Tsaka Encanto Lager. Okay, so happy anniversary, love. Kamusta naman po, Mr. Samido? Sarap? Pasta, pizza. All good. All good? Yung sauce pala nila, in-house nila yan. So, talagang spicy daw talaga siya. And, I think this one is around 400. 400 ba? And then this is 600. So, mura na siya. Kasi, loaded Loaded naman. Tsaka, I think more than 2 packs ang kayang mapakain na nito. So, all good na yan sa amin. Okay. Okay guys, since we're on day 3, we're gonna do our land tour. So, dahil ayaw namin, sobrang mangitim. Sunblock is life. So, isa-isahin namin yung itinerary namin today. Kaya standby kayo sa mga pupuntahan and DIY to guys. So, bahala
ngayon, kailangan natin mag-helmet.
Bahala na si Batman. We're going to Maasin River. Yes, so if you're wondering, ano na itsura ngayon ng coconut view deck here in Siargao, ito siya ngayon. Yan. Nakakasad kasi syempre ito yung pinaka well-known. Ito yung well-known sa kanila, sa tourist spot. Pero for sure, magiging okay din yan. over time, you can actually still appreciate the beauty of Siargao kasi may other views pa naman aside from these coconut trees. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today wala muna tayong house tour na ibibenta because currently we are in Siargao. And yes, makikita nyo hindi pa siya fully okay in terms sa mga coconut trees, but definitely beaches are a paradise dito sa Siargao. So right now I'll be giving you a tour, house tour pa din, pero house tour kung saan kami nagstay here in Siargao, and we're gonna stay here for 5 days and 4 nights. So we booked this in Airbnb and sobrang affordable siya. So tara, pasukin natin. So pagpasok mo, actually maliit lang siya na parang villas, mga kabana. Pero what's good with this staycation, sobrang minimalist niya, tsaka nature vibe. Upon entering, syempre, andyan yung reception area nila. And they have here their mini restaurant. Tapos, I think they have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 na rooms. Yung iba loft, yung iba suite. And currently, nandun kami sa Tarzan's loft. Kasi Tarzan's house ang tawag nila dito because it's more on the parang nature feel. So, ganito yung itsura niya. So, we have here James loft. So, di ba ang cute? Yan. Tapos, ito yung lilipatan namin later. Yung suite nila. So, currently, it will take you right now sa Tarzan's loft. Hi, ate! Ito siya. So, di ba ang cute? So, ito yung parang mini entrance nila. Tapos, they have their loft sa taas. So, upon entering, yan. So, kompleto. Actually, kompleto dito. So, they have their mini parang kitchen. Andiyan yung ref. Wait lang yung gamit kasi namin nakakalat. Ayan yung ref. So, they have also the complimentary water. May mga water heater naman sila sa CR din. Tsaka kung magko-coffee kayo, they have here also yung pampainit ng tubig. Yan, may TV, may electric fan, and naka-aircon. Naka-aircon sila. So, they have here malaking sofa. Can be also a bed. By the way, this is good for 4 packs. So, since dalawa lang kami, vacant yung isang bed. Humingal ako. Tapos, eto yung CR, di ba? Alam mo, what I like about this staycation, lahat ng area may personalized name from the owner. Yan. Tingnan mo, so cute. Even, actually, yung soap nila, tsaka / shampoo, it's organic. Tsaka gawa siya ng mga farmers dito.
Shampoo yun?
Oo, / hindi mo ginagamit. No? Natry ko siya. So, ayan o, di ba? They have here yung mga kind reminder, special note. Tapos, they have free, hindi siya free, you can borrow it, bag, and then mat, beach mat. So, pwede mong gamitin yan. Tapos, upon entering, so basta yun yung ground floor nila. By the way pala, I think lahat ng mga paintings dito, yung owner, si owner ang may gawa. Kasi may seed eh. Lahat kasi nakanote na may seed, di ba? Napansin ko yun. Pero ang ganda ng staycation na to. Tsaka guys, 1-2 lang po per night. Na-book namin siya through Airbnb, 1-2 lang. So, sobrang mura. So, pag akit mo sa taas, parang may cute na hallway. Tapos, eto yung room na isa. Yan, eto siya. Tada! So nice! This room has the coconut tree view. Eto yung aming room. Look. So, diba? Ang ganda. And what we have here is the beach view. Nakita ko lang sa inyo. So nice. There you go. Yan, diba? So, kung gusto mo magmuni-muni sa life, pagising mo sa umaga, yan ang makikita mo. I think yung pinakamalaking room nila, yung tree house, has a better view ng beachfront. Pero hindi pa kasi siya available as of now. So, ito yung nabook namin. So, guys, 1-2 lang to. So, if you're gonna stay here in Siargao and you're looking for a Instagram-worthy na staycation, check out Tarzan's house. Kasi, sobrang worth it na ng pag-stay namin dito. They have the aircon pa, imagine. For as low as 1-2. Tsaka ito guys, I like also about here, customize. Tingnan mo, naka-note lahat. Sobrang na-appreciate ko yung effort. Handwritten pa ha, hindi print out. Tsaka diba, I survived Typhoon Odette. Yan ang pinaka-cute na nabasa ko here. So, customize talaga lahat. Yung guide, anumang magandang beach for surfing, lahat nandito. So, uy, nawala yung kuryente. So, time to time, nagkakaroon ng ganyan ng shutdown, pero bumabalik din agad. So, that's all. Thank you. Bye!
Down the path